Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the new edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including new WWE Thunderdome picture from Tropicana Field revealed, while Becky Lynch and Seth Rollins welcomed their first child, and more other interesting WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 4 is new WWE Thunderdome pictures revealed. Now WWE Thunderdome moving from Amway Center to Tropicana Field. Thunderdome move across from Orlando to Florida. Now some sources share photos and some footage of the new WWE Thunderdome construction at Tropicana Field. The reason behind this shift is upcoming NBA season that's scheduled to take place at Amway Center, Orlando. NBA is planning to have a bubble in Orlando, and that's why WWE has to make a shift from Orlando to Florida. If you look at photos and videos, then look like despite WWE shift their location, but there is a WWE Thunderdome design looks to remain same. Fans are expecting some changes because the size of Amway Center and Tropicana Fields are different. But at first, it looks like WWE has no plans to change Thunderdome's looks. Despite there is no change in Thunderdome looks, WWE may change their design for some specific pay-per-views like Royal Rumble and WrestleMania. Today's episode of Raw is the last one to be aired from Amway Center. From this week's SmackDown episode, all WWE shows are aired from Tropicana Field. There is no WWE news about how long WWE stay at Tropicana Field, but whenever MLB season starts, WWE has to move from Tropicana Field. Number 4 is Becky Lynch and Seth Rollins welcome their first child. Seth Rollins and Becky Lynch welcomed their first baby, and it's confirmed on social media. Both Becky Lynch and Seth Rollins shared her heartwarming photos on social media. In that photo, they both holding hands with their first child, Rox. Becky Lynch was the one who first announced about their child on social media. Later, Seth Rollins also posted same photo on his social media handle. In August 2019, Seth Rollins and Becky Lynch got engaged. Earlier this year, Becky Lynch's historic title run with Raw Women's Championship ended. She handed over her title to Money in the Bank 2020 winner Asuka. There is no WWE news about when Seth Rollins and Becky Lynch make their WWE return. It's expected that the couple could spend some time with their newborn baby and make WWE return somewhere in 2021. Our whole Sports Info Now family congratulated Seth Rollins and Becky Lynch and sent best wishes for her newborn baby. Number 3 is WWE plans for Andrade and Charlotte Flair on their return. In the last few months, WWE missed their top stars on the main roster. The top name in the list is Charlotte Flair and Andrade. This is real life engaged couple who never worked together in any storyline because WWE never did so. But looks like things might be changed soon. WWE latest news stated that there has been a discussion going around about having a screen pairing of Charlotte Flair and Andrade. WWE latest update also suggested that this move could be evaluated Andrade's character into the main event superstar. Here is WWE news told. An idea that has been discussed, however not to determine at this point a non-screen pairing of Charlotte Flair and Andrade when they return on TV. The idea behind is the use to Charlotte Flair's star power to evaluate Andrade into main event scene. Charlotte Flair had a successful first half of the year 2020. Her success began with the Royal Rumble 2020 victory. Then she challenged Rhea Ripley for NXT Women's Championship at WrestleMania 36. She won the title at Mania and his title reigns lasted for 63 days. Then she lost the title to Io Shirai. Now she is out of WWE action. While Andrade started 2020 year as a United States champion. WWE gave him a long title run. Then he lost championship to Apollo Crews on the Raw episode. Then he teamed up with Angel Garza, but did not work for them. Right now Andrade also out of WWE action. Would you like to see Charlotte Flair and Andrade pair up on WWE TV? If yes, then who would you want to see them feud against? Sound off in comment section. Number 2 is Pat Patterson's interesting idea to change Royal Rumble match. The whole WWE and pro wrestling world in shock when we heard about Pat Patterson is now no more. And he died at age of 79. He had a cancer and not doing well during his last some days of his life. WWE latest update news revealed that one of Pete Patterson's idea was for WWE to make a trophy for Royal Rumble match and name it Pat Patterson Cup. Here is what WWE Update says. In the book, Pat Patterson tells the story of one of his last idea he had on the Royal Rumble was for them to create a Pat Patterson Cup and give the trophy like the Stanley Cup to the winner. It would hold champion and have all the winners' name on the list on it. I think that would be the amazing homepage to Pat Patterson. Pat Patterson started his WWE career in 1979. In his first WWE year, he became the first ever Intercontinental Champion of WWE. Pat Patterson was the one who came up with the idea of Royal Rumble match. In today, Royal Rumble match is so much famous and exciting things in all WWE as well as all pro wrestling world. He was then inducted into WWE Hall of Fame in 1996. Now Pat Patterson has passed away, so maybe WWE now introduce Pat Patterson Cup in the memory of the father of Royal Rumble match. And winner of this match get both rewards, title shot at WrestleMania as well as Pat Patterson Cup. Number 1 is Vince McMahon's amazing backstage speech for Keith Lee. Keith Lee started to make his name on the main roster. Even he is in NXT, he is also one of the top WWE stars there. He already had an amazing 2020 year. During this year, he became NXT North American Champion. Then he won NXT Champions and became first ever dual champion in NXT. Later, he called upon a main roster on Raw brand. On the main roster, he had also faced top stars like Randy Orton, Drew McIntyre and Braun Strowman. He also picked a win over Randy Orton at Payback 2020 pay-per-view. In the latest documentary, Vince McMahon is seen giving Keith Lee a passionate speech at backstage. After making main roster debut on Raw against Randy Orton, when he back to Gorilla position and spoke with Vince McMahon. Vince McMahon praises Keith Lee for his work and told him what he wants to see from Keith Lee. Here is what Vince McMahon told. We are gonna go places, but you gotta make me believe in you. We got a whole global audience here now. It's little bit different. Gotta make some changes and be you. Look what I got here. I have been get a hell of an athlete. A hell of a performance. Promos good. After that speech, Keith Lee looked motivated and shared his feelings at backstage. Here is what Keith Lee says. Vince and me are ready to deflect 645 right now. Just a genuine, you can feel it. His passion, his feelings for this business, it come through his eyes, even come through his voice. Like a firework, I went from smileys, to like coaching fire me up, and that's what I felt like. A football game back when I played D-line. That's what I felt like. Vince McMahon expecting me to decimental this industry, and I'm going to fucking do it. Doing this documentary, Keith Lee also talked about how Vince McMahon actually punched him when he was extra in the Raw segment a decade ago. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.